Okay, so we here have another problem. We have to count the big circumference, the big triangle circumference, sorry, and we somehow have to count it with the added information. This big triangle is divided into smaller individual triangles, and inside these triangles the numbers actually tells us the individual triangle's circumference. So for example, if you look at this smaller triangle's sides added up is equal to 20. So I hopefully you get that what does it mean. And so how do we do it? What do we need first of all? Well, for the big triangle circumference we of course need this and this side of the triangle. And we have to look at which triangles actually cover any part of these important parts of the side. Well, we can see that only 5 of them. And so you can see that this I'm just using another color to mark it, hopefully. And you can see that this, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. So you can see that these 5 triangles cover any part, all of the parts of the biggest triangle sides. So if you like add these up, these 5 individual triangles circumference, you get that 10 plus 9 plus 20 plus the 12 plus 11 will be equal to, if you sum it up, you get that it's, just counting, it will be 62 if I count it correctly. Let's see, it's 50, 62, yeah. So as you can see, this 62 covers the third triangle circumference and the, well, unnecessary circumferences. And so what's next? Well, if we look closely, we haven't touched 2 triangles, and it's these 2. And what can we see? That these triangles have their circumference right there. Let me just highlight it for you, just using some different color. So like these 15 triangle sides are these, as I'm marking it with red, and also these 13 triangles sides are the ones I'm covering with red. And we know that these 3 lines will be 15, as we have said previously before, that inside the triangles the numbers mean the circumference of the triangles. Then we know that this triangle circumference will be 15, this other triangle circumference will be 13. And simply by taking out these 2 circumferences from the big picture, from the 62, we actually can get this third big triangle's circumference. So it's simply just writing it down. 62 minus 15 plus 13 will be equal to 28, and that's will be equal 62 minus 28 will be equal to 34. As we can see, 34 will only be the third big triangle's circumference. So therefore the correct answer will be the B